Hi guys, Charlie here from Christmas on Crestline. Thank you for tuning in. It's Christmas in July. We're going to test some products, we're going to unbox some products, we're going to unveil our new logo. July is going to be fun. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. I ordered a lot of lights a few months back. They finally came in. They're just kind of staggered in different boxes. Going to open one up, no idea what's in it. We'll see if we like it. Also, kind of housekeeping note, we're changing our logo. I've spoken to my family. See, I really like Christmas stuff, especially Christmas lights. I get into all of it. My dream job would be like to own my own Christmas light store and just work at that permanently, but I have a day job, so I'll keep that. But that's like my dream job. I love everything about Christmas, I just do. It's really fun. So I talked to my family, I said, hey, I'm probably gonna keep doing this YouTube thing for a while, just because if I were starting out, I would want a resource out there to show me exactly how to do it. And I do a string lighting show. There's lots of pixels, like Candace Spader Christmas. He'll teach you A to Z on how to do pixel lighting and everything else. I'm a string light guy. He does a really great show. If you guys haven't checked him out, check him out. But I want to keep doing it. I really like it. But my logo, we just had our sign, took a picture of that, and that's kind of been our logo and our tune-in sign. Not really all that professional, so finally got a professional logo. We're going to debut it with this video. So if you're a current subscriber, you're going to notice our thumbnails change, and that's why, because we want to make sure it's a professional looking, well, everything for you. And we're taking the baby steps to get there, you know, as one does. But yeah, we're going to start out with a new logo. So if you notice, the thumbnail has changed for the Christmas on Crestline. That's why. We did a poll on our Facebook page of what do you guys want the predominant thing in our new logo to be, and overwhelmingly 74% chose Christmas lights, which is what I was wanting them to choose, so it works out great. But yeah, so Christmas lights are the main theme to our new logo, as they probably should be, because we're a Christmas light channel. So but yeah, let's get to the reason why you tuned in, and that is an unboxing of today's lights. All right, these are from Creative Displays, which is one of the suppliers I use a lot of, or have in the past used a lot of. I already previously cut the box open it. So I'm gonna have to go out of view here for a second. There's actually there's a couple boxes within a box. All right, this is, I don't know. The bundle of lights. There's a lot of bundle of lights. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these. Oh, I think these are net lights. I do not use net lighting in my show. I will this year. Ooh. That is some thick gauge, very nice feeling wire there. And these these should be a 4x6 strand of net lighting. Looks like we're using these are the 5mm bulbs, and they each have their own metal wrapping around them, which is pretty cool. I think it's metal. It could be a hard plastic. Sounds like it's metal. Those are pretty neat looking. Let's see here. It's thick gauge. And I've had this issue in my first unboxing video with Creative Displays lights. It's kind of hard to describe over visually over video. These are just really thick gauge. I think in the last video I compared it to cheap bread versus Wonder Bread, but I think, and then I changed it to like a linen comparison. But these are really thick gauge. These are industrial, these are commercial lights. These are not, these are holiday fun time that you get, or holiday time that you get at Walmart. These are commercial grade. And let me plug them in here for you. And let's just see what these fellers look like. man, doesn't that just get you in the Christmas spirit? Look at the depth of that red. Oh man, that is a deep red color. That pops. That is very cool. Again, these are 4x6. If it's not, I'll put it up somewhere if it is, a little graphic. But that is cool. Oh man, that is a popping red color. That is a deep red. Hopefully it translates on video, but that is a very deep red. I would akin that to a Kansas City Chief red. Kind of that deep color. Wow, that's cool. We'll see what other colors we got. Red, white. Let's see what the white looks like. Hopefully I got cool. Hopefully you can hear me over the cellophane. But I do enjoy cool whites over warm whites. Warm whites absolutely have their place, and anymore they kind of take the place of a yellow color in most people's shows. Again, very thick gauge wire. Well, not thick gauge, but it has a very thick wire. Feels very nice. Ooh. One thing I do like about Creative Displays, and again, I'm not paid at all by Creative Displays. I paid for everything here, but they are good quality. They give out a good quality product. They do, and the customer service is pretty good. You can even talk to the owner sometimes when you call. That's one thing I like about their company is they provide a high quality product, and their lights just always pop. That is a great looking color. Oh, I like that. That's pretty cool. All right, let's see what other color I got. My favorite color in general is green, so I'm really hoping, I may have just ordered redder than white. Hope I didn't. My favorite color is green, just in general. My wife's favorite color is blue. So if I just ordered red and white, she's gonna be awfully disappointed. And apologize for bending over here, but there's another box inside here. Thought I dropped one, did not. Let's see what we got here. Is this still net lighting? It is. Oh, there's a green one. There's a green one. And oh, by the way, behind me, it's a brand new set. This is the first one, it's still under construction. We've done some remodeling. The very first unboxing show we ever did, this is the same wall. So if you haven't watched that episode, go back and watch that. You can tell it's obviously a dramatic difference. But this is our new set. I don't have any of the lights strung up yet. I don't have anything done. We're still in construction. Having some issues with being a little bit far behind, or a little bit behind on construction. But yeah, this is our new set. So you'll see this in our unboxing videos from now on. All right, get to my favorite, which is a green. And get these out of the way a little bit. Hopefully they're not terribly in your view. Come on. Oh yeah. Man, that is a deep green. I don't like, and one of the reasons why we switched to all LED lights several years ago is the incandescents absolutely have their place, and some people do amazing shows with just incandescents. But especially on an incandescent blue mini light bulb, the film will come off and you get the specks of white showing, and then it becomes, well, it used to be a deep blue in an incandescent bulb. Well, the film starts going, you start getting the white showing through, and then it looks like a really dull blue or dull red, and then you wind up having to throw it away. This is a deep color. There's no film. The cool thing about these is the bulb is green and the lens are green. So even if for some reason the bulb, the lens falls off, the bulb's still gonna be green. That is a deep color. Hopefully I got some blue as well. Oh, kind of behind me. Come on, we have a blue. That is a, no, I can't tell. That's a green. My goodness, I ordered a lot. Fairly cool. One thing I like to do is I like to order lights, and I kind of like to forget what I ordered. That way it's kind of a surprise. There's nothing that says Christmas like opening or like unwrapping or opening up a present. Oh man, did I not buy any blues? Aha, here's a blue. Opening up presents is that's part of Christmas, right? So I always like to order, then forget what I ordered. Make a list of what I need from the previous year's show. Now, just looking at these unplugged, now to finish my thought, I make a list of what I need or want to change for the next year's show. So in 2018, I made a list of what I wanted to change for 2019 show, and then I make my order, and I kind of, I'll space it off. I kind of forget about it a little bit purposefully, just because I like to be a little bit surprised. But just looking at this, these don't look like they'll be a deep blue. They look a little, oh, not sky blue, just through the lens. I'm gonna go on a limb and say something fell behind me. Ah, my Merry Christmas. My Merry Christmas sign wanted to make an entrance. I'll be right back. Sorry about that. Like I was saying, we don't have this all set up yet. We're just in the, we're about 80% complete with construction on the remodel. And eventually we'll have an outside set. We actually haven't even started on that yet. We'll have an outside filming set as well. So we're gonna plug these in. Hopefully they're deep blue, and they are. Look at that. That is a deep dang blue. I love it when they're deep like this. I love the colors when they're true and accurate. Oh, ho, ho, look at that. Bam. That is phenomenal. Let's try a white. You know what, let's do a red next. Let's get this red I already got going. Let's get it red next to it. And I don't know how many you can string together. Ooh. But I'll research that, and hopefully it's up for you right now about how many of these you can actually string together. And looking at these, maybe I'm wrong, but yeah, they don't have a side plug-in. Some lights, not all, not even most, but some will have a side plug-in. These do not. So you will have to daisy chain them. There's no skipping a step. But let's see with all four colors, and we do a, pause for a moment. We do an RGB, in our new logo, you'll notice it's an RGB color, red, green, blue. We did that purposefully because we use the four colors, our red, green, blue, and white. Let's see what white looks like. All right, the white doesn't look quite as stunning next to the red, the green, and the blue. It's a very bright white. I'm not certain I like that color next to these. These are phenomenal. These have the same tone and the same richness as the next one does. I'm not entirely convinced I like these whites now. We'll have to see what they look like on the bush. It is off season right now, Christmas in July. So I'm not certain I'll be able to get these on the bush to show you guys. If I do, I'll put them up somewhere on the screen for you right now. If they're not up, it's because I didn't get a chance to do it. Not necessarily a chance, but they're full of leaves right now because it's July. But yeah, I'm not convinced I like that now. They're very bright. We'll see. Maybe I should have gone with a warm white. I think a warm white might have done, if they even have one. I assume they have a warm white. I don't remember what they offer. But I think a warm white might have gone better with the red, the green, and the blue. I'll have to check that out. So anyway, I digress. We're gonna do some unboxings, and then in July, we're gonna test all these things. At some point in one of the boxes that I'll be opening are waterproof gaskets. But are they? Well, we're gonna see if they are waterproof. I don't know how well that's going to go. My cousin Darren, he's extremely helpful. I love that guy. He powers our show for us every year. And one thing, he's an electrician, and one thing he says is he's curious if these waterproof gaskets work. I said, well, let's plug it in with the gasket in the middle, put it in water, let's freeze it, plug it in. That way we can see if it's waterproof, and we get to see if it holds up to the ice. Everybody's gonna get ice storms. So you're gonna have your lights freeze. They're outside your house in winter. Of course, they're gonna freeze at some point. Let's test it. See how well it works. So at some point, after we're done with the unboxing videos, our Christmas in July will take us to the test phase. So we're gonna do lots of lights. We got some fairy lights. Some people call them firecracker lights. We're gonna test those. Net lighting. I know I ordered one of the waterproof gaskets, and I know I ordered the LED 5mm strobes. I ordered some of those. So we're gonna do a bunch of testing stuff. So if you're interested in this kind of stuff, keep watching. Talk to you later, guys. Thanks for watching. Charlie, Christmas on Crestline. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you.